Step 2. Collaboration using DWG-DXF files. ArchiCAD provides smart tools to streamline collaboration between designers and engineers. Let's see a quick example of this process. Activate the One DWG Export preset view in the Navigator view map to display the floor plan view of this multi-story building. We will send this floor plan project view to the electrical engineer as a DWG file for further work. Activate the File Save As command to export this plan using DWG format. Select DWG file format at the Save Plan dialog and make sure to select the For Further Editing translator file from the pop-up list. Enter any desired name for the file and click the Save button to save the current floor plan as a DWG file using the conversion rules stored in the selected translator file. ArchiCAD will ask for a .shx AutoCAD file as part of the conversion process to ensure more accurate reproduction of the imported file within ArchiCAD. We will now open the requested SHX file from this folder. If you have the necessary SHX file on your local machine, please open this. Otherwise, press the Skip All button to proceed, since the availability of such SHX files is not critical to completing this exercise. AutoCAD users are encouraged to distribute these SHX files. However, we cannot provide these to you with this training guide for proprietary reasons. Let's suppose that this DWG data has been received by the electrical engineer who is designing the distribution of lighting fixtures in the reflected ceiling plan. Once the design update is ready, the engineer will save the work and send back the updated file to the architect. As soon as the reflected ceiling plan design is available from the engineer, we'll need to merge this information back to the initial design project. Let's open the Smart Merge Options dialog. ArchiCAD's Smart Merge, or round-trip conversion, makes it easy to merge only the necessary elements of an external DXF or DWG file to the project, if the file has been originally exported from the ArchiCAD model. Smart Merge enables designers to define merging rules. A rule is made of a condition part and one or more actions. If an element coming from the DXF or DWG file meets a condition of a rule, the actions of that rule will be executed. Those elements that do not meet any of the conditions in the list are ignored. Let's create a new conversion rule by duplicating the current one and enter electrical for the name. Let's delete all the existing rules to be able to start from Sketch with the new configuration. Let's add a new rule which will help us to identify and review elements which have been edited by the electrical engineer. If an element, after multiple rounds, is unchanged in ArchiCAD and edited in the external file, we will put these on the edited layer. It's desirable to quickly see all the new elements which have been added by the electrical engineer, so we'll outline these. Please note that only visible and unlocked layers will be considered in the process. It is also important to pay attention to the order of the actions to get the expected result. Smart Merge configuration files can be created by the CAD managers and used across the entire office. Once you are ready with the settings, make sure to click the Apply button before leaving this dialog so that the selected Smart Merge configuration will be considered when merging the external drawing file. Once you're all set, activate the File Special Merge command to display the Merge File dialog. Select the existing floor plan RCP DWG file from the DWG import folder and click Open to proceed. ArchiCAD will now ask you if you wish to merge the model space content of the external file to the current ArchiCAD view, or if you wish to append paper space information to the ArchiCAD layout book. Please note that if the model space is merged to the ArchiCAD project, the top view of AutoCAD elements located in the model space of the merged DXF DWG file will be generated, and these top views will be placed into the ArchiCAD model view as 2D ArchiCAD elements. Let's select the first option and proceed. The Merge DXF-DWG model space lets you configure the geometrical parameters of the merged drawing. You can decide on insertion point, scale, rotation, and even decide on the anchor point. You can also choose the ArchiCAD story where you wish to merge the content and also select the translator you wish to use. Please note that Smart Merge uses the very same translator files which have been discussed in the previous step of this exercise. Select the For Further Editing translator from the list. Once you are done, click Merge to proceed. As you can see, the reflected ceiling plan, which was created by the electrical engineer using the previously exported DWG file, has been smartly merged back into the initial ArchiCAD design project. ArchiCAD's smart merging functionality streamlines collaboration when exchanging DWG-DXF files with the members of the extended design team. Please open the next training clip with Apple's QuickTime Player to continue this exercise.